welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to cut a pineapple and slice it easily in few minutes. Everybody loves pineapple, but when it comes to cutting, it's always a headache. So this video is for you. Let's get started. I've taken one big pineapple today, cut both the ends. Hold the pineapple this way and start cutting the outer layer. Don't make it too deep. Go all the way around till the starting point. Now clear the top and bottom portion. Now we are done with chopping the outer layer, so let's move on to removing the pineapple eyes. You can see that the pineapple eyes are aligned in a diagonal position. So using a very sharp knife, make a diagonal cut before and after the eye. Now scoop out the pineapple eye. Likewise, go all the way around. Don't go too deep, just removing the eye is enough, else you will lose the flesh. Now we have gone all the way around. We have a very beautiful design. Now make slices. You can go with any thickness of your choice. 1 centimeter thickness should be good. Very beautiful design. Definitely this hack will be a lifesaver when you have pineapples at home. So do try this hack at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.